And the thing that was particularly exciting, and I guess like most relevant to y'all's topic, is that like it also reduced barriers in terms of who we can play with and where they have to be. In really exciting ways. I actually started playing with a bunch of rando European friends.
So your team members are from different countries.
So I should say I collectively refer to this group as the Germans, even though they're not all German.
Okay.
Yeah, we've like found an excuse at one point for everyone to turn on their cameras, except for Rev, who again, probably actually a robot. At this point, I'm doing, admittedly, a lot of play with the Germans, but I still have games going with various other groups of friends, some of whom are back home in Maryland, some of whom have moved to other parts of the country, some of whom like are local but are immunocompromised or just aren't comfortable going inside with other people without masks. It's a really nice way to be able to still keep connected to those folks.